Hello everybody! So today I'm going to be drawing some stickers. Oh, and I'm just going to jump right into it. So I didn't have a theme or anything really going into this. I normally have some sort of inspiration or reference photo, but I just felt like trying to draw some things out of memory and for the sake of practicing and exploring my own style a bit more, which is something I recommend everyone to do once in a while, especially when you're first beginning to illustrate. It can be really difficult, and for the most part, just sort of mentally difficult to get yourself to just kind of go for it, but afterwards, who knows? You might be pleasantly surprised. I know I definitely have been, and honestly, like, what do you have to lose, right? Anyway, so for me here, I just knew I kind of want to draw some random foods that I enjoyed and I thought would be cute, and then I had this idea to give them a bit of a whimsical little name for each one. So I started with the carrot, and then this is my bagel that has a half jelly, half peanut butter, hence the indecisiveness, which surmises me pretty well. And after drawing these two little guys, I took a pause and finally was like, okay, I drew a random carrot and bagel. What is my theme? What am I doing now? And I came up with a couple more ideas for my other characters, and then just sort of got started on each one. So I love peaches. They're probably my favorite food, and peaches and nectarines, that is. With all of these, honestly, I struggle a little bit with the faces. I wanted to like maintain the integrity of my style of faces, I guess. But also you wanted like each one to be their own, so I try to change like little expressions of each one. And I also thought about color a lot. I didn't make a color palette for any of this. I chose like these like mid pastelish colors. I'm just making stuff up at this point, but on the softer end of colors, I guess. Anyways, next I drew this honey bear. Bears are my favorite animal of all time, and I just thought it'd be cute to have like the little honey you normally see in your cabinet sort of come to life. And as I was drawing this, I definitely was thinking about Winnie the Pooh in my head a little bit, so there might be some small resemblances there. I thought about whether or not to give him a mouth. He looked pretty cute without one, so I was a little hesitant, but I just wanted that coherency, I guess, across my faces. I also did a design on the label, or like a little t-shirt for the bear. I didn't want to write honey because I was going to write honey on the side anyways, so now he is organic honey. And then we got the eggplant, so easiest one to draw actually because there aren't that many details on him, but I kind of gave him a cheeky smile, and I think the typeface I drew for this one, maybe it's not typeface, I think it's called lettering. And then lastly, I made a pizza. I don't know that I love pizza that much at the moment, but the pizzas that I have loved have always had mushrooms on them. Therefore, I drew mushrooms and onions actually a little bit too, but I was thinking of drawing pepperonis and then didn't draw pepperonis because I'm vegetarian, and I just thought it wouldn't be appropriate. And I just thought it'd be funny to have a hot pizza that was actually like hot himself. So I gave him a little dying of heat type look. I took a long time to arrange everything, but it kind of just looks like I arranged it back to what it was originally. All I did after that was draw the white borders around everything and then pick like an appropriate background color. And I don't know that I'm gonna keep this color as a background color, but I guess it doesn't really matter anyways because they're stickers. But that's it. Overall, this was really fun, and and I did this on my iPad using my Apple Pencil through Procreate. I really love doing this. I made stickers, and now I'm gonna go print them out, and what's better than that, honestly? So, highly recommend, but overall, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching. Okay, bye.